this costume, when I put it together and took it out on Halloween, I did not hand out candy that year. I was walking around on the streets, and it did get some good scares. And this is what it looked like when I took it out the very first time after I finished making everything and putting it together. These were some really old work boots that were worn out, and I covered with fabric using hot glue, and then I just took the time to use some spray paint on it. That's it. Now the hands were pretty easy to customize the painting on it. It was just the mask where I added more blood, and then the Blavaca under it I had to glue and then cover with some customized latex paint that I made. I definitely like to recycle costumes, so I reused this old one, the jacket and the shirt, and it definitely fit the character well. I liked it. Now, for his hunchback, I just added this padding that I had and then used a safety pin on the inside of the jacket, and it worked great. Alright, here's a cheese alert. I have to show you what it looked like in action when I was walking around. And, yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my neighbors in the neighborhood will remember me if they see this video. Quite a few of them did take some pictures, and a few of them did step away or kept their distance from me as well. Show you the Blavaca within the mask. There's a certain brand, and I'll show it to you here in a second. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.